Good shit. Make sure you kill them, you can just knock.
Oh, dude, I emptied a mag in his head.
Be surprised what the armor can save.
I can't believe I missed that group with that missile, dog. That sucks. There's the homie in the field that fucking...
I don't know, but you can probably grab another RPG from that box. Right there! Ah! Throw a frag out there, 4. Hit 4 and throw a frag.
Oh shit, I might have got naded. I did get naded. I did see a nade done.
Dude, you're going off over there.
Oh, he got me. Oh shit, I almost just got RPG, dog.
I did just get RPG.
Oh, you got him. There's no way you didn't get his ass. I got caught by the blast.
I'm fucked up bad, dude.
Yeah.
Probably, I might die here. Oh, fuck. Because I don't have tourniquets, I
reloading.
got 3 heavy bleeds.
Got his ass.
If I pass out, I need you to bandage me.
I got you, I got you. I'm just clearing the line.
I'm looking good so far.
Whoa, did you just nade me?
Frag me? No.
Oh shit, I just got shot at.
Get down, lay the prone. See.
Think I got him? I don't trust it though.
Okay. Fucked up, but I'm moving your way.
Got him.
Got him, dude.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Got his ass. Get fucked, bitch.